Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to export edited CapCut video. So if you're done with your editing in CapCut and you want to export your videos, you can just click on the arrow here, or you can also click on the video quality first, and you can change the resolutions and frame rate before you export your video. But if you're satisfied with the default setting, you can just leave it like this. But if you want, you can also adjust it like this. For example, I want to add the frame rate into 50, and then you can just go back and then click on the arrow here, and your video will be exporting just like that. Okay, so that's all for me. That is how you can export your video in CapCut. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.